Today we'll look at uploading catchments into John Connor Online. Click on the catchment button, interface pops up, and you just add the required number of rows with the name of your catchment areas. So you can enter it manually, or you can go into your CSV and just copy paste your catchment list. Pretty handy for transferring your catchments from a architectural drawing or a drains export. I've got my catchment names. I'm gonna enter the node types. The list here will be customized per location, so it's based on the guidelines. This one is for Victoria, roof, road, ground. In Queensland, for example, Brisbane over here, I go to node types, it's gonna be a different list, so everything is gonna be compliant. Come back to Victoria, I've got my roof, road, ground, and road. And all I do now is just input my catchment areas, and everything should be established real quickly. We should also point out you must input your imperviousness here based on your project, of course. In Victoria, it's locked at 100% for roof and ground, roof and road, because that's the guidelines. In Brisbane, for example, you can edit the imperviousness here for your commercial road, for example. Just something to note. I'm going back to Victoria. I'm done. Click create, and you've got all your nodes sorted. Real quick and easy. If I inspect the nodes, all your parameters are loaded up per guidelines. No more manual entering of parameters, saves tons of time. Next cool thing is you can save the catchment list and you can use it for future projects. So if you click download the source node template, it's going to download a CSV for you, and if you open that one up, it will show you the format. So over here, this is a handy CSV template to have. You can, if you have a drains CSV or a CSV from anywhere else, you can just copy and paste the catchment names here. You can copy and paste the surface areas as well. You can use this CSV to add another few another few catchments. Stage 2 car park, for example. I can add another catchment just through this one here. Node type, when I add a catchment to this list and I want to upload it to JCO, I can put in the node type here. I'll just refer to this column so you know what the compliant node type is. So stage 2 car park, I should put road over here. If you're unsure, you can also leave this as optional. Don't need, and then when you upload it to JCO, you can choose the catchment type from the JCO interface. So once I'm done, CSV is sorted out. I'm going to save that CSV and go back to JCO. I'm just going to delete my previous one. And in this case, instead of manually entering it, I'm just going to take my saved CSV file, like so, and double click on it. And JCO is going to load up my CSV. So there you have it. I've added my sidewalk. I've got a stage 2 car park as well. But remember, we added it without the node type in the CSV. So all I do is select it from here and click create. And now I have my updated model here. Very good for, project revisions or just adding new catchments quickly. And again, this saves you tons of time. It's your best friend if you have a large subdivision, or a master plan, 30 or 40 different catchment nodes. No problem. You go back to your, let's say I'm in Brisbane now. I'm gonna go and upload my huge subdivision. I go to upload button and go to my Excel sheet again using that same formatting, and there I have it. All my catchments based on my Excel sheet. Catchment types, if I've done it in my Excel sheet, it's all loaded up here. And all I do now is specify the imperviousness of my catchments. I'm just going to go down the list, blah, blah, blah. So you follow that whole process. Once you're done, click create, and it's going to establish all those catchments just like before. And now you've just saved tons of time, and basically just move your catchments around. You can adjust them based on your drawing or whatever, and then just put in your treatment types and things like that. So pretty handy. This is your best friend when it comes to big WSUD projects.